is Liverpool Hope University's virtual learning environment. It is your online space to learn, connect, and find all the course resources you need to support your studies. This video is a short introduction to Moodle. When you first log on to Moodle, you will land on the home page. Here you will find some information provided by the university. And a timeline, you will find any assignments that you have due. You can customize how far into the future you want to see. Underneath, you will see the calendar, so you can see on your calendar when your assignments are due. If this is your second or third year at Liverpool Hope, you will be able to access previous year's Moodles from the navigation at the top. Let's go and have a look at My Courses. All the courses you are enrolled on will show under My Courses. You can customize how you see the courses by clicking on the different settings here at the top. Let's go and have a look at one of the courses. All courses will have these 4 sections. Your lecturers and tutors will add more information underneath those. Under Quick Links, you will find the most used resources, such as the handbook, your assessments, the referencing guide, and your reading list. Under My Course Information, you will find the announcements for the course, a welcome to the course, and your course handbook. When I click on the course handbook, it will open up the table of contents with all the information that is related to your course. Make sure you read the handbook carefully. A lot of the information on your course will be in there. Going back to the course, under My Library Resources, you will find resources provided by your librarian and the reading list for your course. Under My Assessments, you will find the assessments for your course and any assessment details and assignment points for your course. To navigate Moodle easier, you can use the course index on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you can open the block drawer where you will find the course team information for your course. On the top right, you will find your initials and you can customize your profile and your preferences. If you have any questions about Moodle, please contact your course tutors who will be able to answer your questions. If you have technical issues, please contact IT help.